All right, so we are going to do a video walkthrough of 12. 12 is going to be the same as 14 through 7. So this is going to give you just a look of what these townhouses look like. Let you see, this is kind of your front door area looks like. So let's come on in and take a look. So first you enter into this nice wide wide hallway. We come here first to this closet, just a nice area to be able to put your stuff, your shoes maybe, coat closet. Then you come here to the living room, dining room, kitchen area. This is just a nice area to be able to hang out and spend time with your family, to relax, cook, eat. Really nice wide kitchen, so you can definitely have somebody kind of working here, working over there. You have lots of room. Really nice refrigerator there. Here's a small cupboard. This here is the utility closet. You have the downstairs half bathroom. Here you have the 2-stall garage. Next, we're gonna we'll take a look here at the backyard, and then we'll head upstairs to the bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and laundry room. So here you have a little patio area that is, does have a roof over it. And here's your backyard. Kind of secluded just to your neighbors and you. All right, lastly, we're gonna go on upstairs. Take a look up there. This typically, it does not come with it. It just happens to be on the wall here for the next people moving in. All right, so going upstairs, here we have the master bedroom. This day bed is about ready to get taken out of here. Just got left behind. So big master bedroom with a huge master closet. Look at that closet. So much closet space. So much space for your shoes. All the clothing needs, storing needs, you got them here in this closet. Okay, onto the bathroom. Nice, spacious bathroom. With a good amount of space in there to put in those cabinets. Next, we'll go on to the other full bathroom. It's very similar in style, just only has 1 sink instead of 2. Next, we'll go into the second bedroom, a nice, spacious bedroom. It's a pretty good sized closet there. It's a little tucked around each one of those edges. All right, from here, we're gonna move on to the next bedroom. With this big window, it has lots of natural light in it. Good, spacious bedroom. This closet's a little bit different in size from the other one, a little bigger. And all of the closets do have lights in them. And lastly, we're gonna move on to the laundry room. This laundry room is just tucked right on in here. All right, so that is the tour.